The fourth foundation of Tripura Women Federation was celebrated through a joyful program at Teliamura Town Hall on Friday. ADC EM Kamal Kolai, former Minister Mewar Kumar Jamatia, 29 Krishnapur Block President Mahendra Debarma and GS Gita Rani Debarma were present. On the occasion of the 4th anniversary of the Tripura Women's Federation, the 4th anniversary was celebrated through a joyful program in the Town Hall, Teliamura. EM Kamal Kolai, addressing the media on the occasion of the 4th anniversary of the Women's Foundation, said, Tripura Motha's Supreme Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Debarma founded this women's organization 4 years ago, and today, on this occasion of its foundation day, he has called for making the event a success through various programs and distributing yarn among women.
Chini 6 तारिख June 2025 Chini TWF no songse ribani filburi bisi kaja gabon bagi puilano Chini jotun bakhaw tongnai jotun islai khachuksa Chini hani bubagra Chini Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Debarmano tini ni salo belekhan hambaya paro tei bini ayu kolok ngi tongthung hine jeng ishor ni thani diai ge tini jengho jaga 11 Maharani pur Teliamura ningai TWF ni ki filbri ba waibri bini ase mani sal jeng tinoro observe khlali tongo tini o salno rigi jotto o jaga phaimanjak phainai ani khapangni ani rangchangni bukhuk songno belekhana hambai tei tini o jaga chini program no charana ni bagi belekhano saktharjak chini 11 Maharani purni chini EM sar Kamal Kolai tei chini party ni jotto horta korta rok jotto leaders rok chini party ni wings YTF TISF borokno bahaino tini chini program no chariti sanani bagai jengbai baksa sakthari o jaga phaimani bagai jengbai cooperate khlaimani bagai borokno belekhano paiphle hambai tei boro bahaino kaham kreng tongbai thung sa kaham kreng tongthung সংগঠন bate o jangai bachathung hine tini ni salo jeng ishorni thani diai mungnar
ADC EM Kamal Kolai, former Minister Mewar Kumar Jamatia, 29 Krishnapur Block President Mahendra Debarma, GS Gita Rani Debarma and other leaders were present.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Reported by Biplav from Khwai, Chini Khorang.